So 23A15 was divided into two more videos for 16 and 17. So this is part 2 of the Promela meta-linear time Boolean spin root Wow Seti. There's the alien radio signal. And I'll tell you what this video is about. Linear time temporal logic formulae, syntax grammar, operands, unary operators, temporal Boolean, negation, binary, spin, formula, LTL, mechanism, inline specification, globally, proctype, init, formula, extensions, basic format, newlines, spaces, tabs, white spaces, operators, equivalent properties, counter method, automatic propositional symbol, macro definitions, and the keyword research line 23 Wow Seti data, part 2 of 3. So July 2012, the reason is technical. Under the specific partial reduction rules in the model checker, the 4 channel operators listed cannot be negated. In the conversion process from LTL formula into never claims UQ automate, negations will take place and can end up in the final automation though, which would risk making partial order reductions invalid, logically unsound. When multiple inline LTL formulae are specified, you get to choose which one will be applied during a verification run with a new runtime parameter and for the pan verifiers. By default, this will be the first LTL formula that appears in the specification. To disable all LTL formula during a verification, you can compile PNC with the directive DNO claim. Alternative method, spin can translate LTL formulae into Promela never claims with command line option F. The never claim that is generated encodes the Buki acceptance conditions from the LTL formula. Formally, any omega run that satisfies the LTL formula is guaranteed to correspond to an accepting run of the never claim. The operands of an LTL formula are often one-character symbols such as PQR, but they can also be symbolic names provided that they start with a lowercase character to avoid confusion with some of the temporal operators which are in uppercase. The names or symbols must be defined to represent Boolean expressions on global variables from the model. Names or symbols are normally defined with macro definitions. Starting with the spin version 5.2.4, operands can also be defined as embedded freeform expressions enclosed in curly braces, for instance, something like that. This form avoids the need for use of macros and defined predict symbols. The inline method described earlier also avoids the need to use the curly braces. All binary operators are left associative. Parentheses round braces can be used to override this default. Note that implication and equivalence are not temporal but logical operators, and the data will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching.